Good morning, my beautiful people. Sorry I was a little bit late. Looks like I can't post on TikTok now. I'm on view only mode. I don't know why TikTok is so dumb. Oh well. Let's see what we got today. Where's my Discord? Let's see how John and Zach and Elvinar and Urban and whoever else is in the mornings destroyed pre-market. Let's see. Let's see. Mad Plays. Somebody shared Mad Plays yesterday. Shared another horns pattern identifier. Pre-market was boring. Good. NRB spiking. Let's see. John calling out beat. It looks like it went without you. Alvinar's in there. Urban trades as well. Alrighty. Alright. So what gappers do we have? Where's my... So I have like ATXG, which was one from yesterday. ATXG. ATXG cold is another one that I have on my gappers list. So let me look up cold. I also have AMTD. And that's it. Now, as far as the ones that you guys were trading, I saw you guys calling out beat. I saw you guys were calling out NRBO. NRBO's pricey stock, but we'll check it out, see what it looks like. $30 up to 63 is high. Alright. Andres calling out Sun. So who do we got in here? I got Zach. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, Andres. Good morning, Blair. Good morning, John. Urban's already in here. Elbinar as well. Beat and AMTD, it looks like. Rosendo, yo. Aquí estoy yo, presente. 8877, Joe. 8877. Man, this is dumb, bro. Maybe I am to go live. I don't know. Oh well, I'm not trying to. Ape Trades, good morning. Oh, I forgot to get a drink. Cold Beat, ATXG, and AMTD. Those are exactly what I got. So now let's look at them real quick because it looks like I am running a little bit behind. ATXG is still that huge dead cat bounce, so the daily is almost nearly impossible to take a look on this thing. But yesterday, we'll mark yesterday's high, which is that one right there at 624. After that, we do have kind of back here 691 almost, and then I got a lot of resistances on this thing. So let's take these out of the way and kind of look if there's a main one here on the 5 minutes so I could see it cleaner. I would kind of like this one right here-ish, like 550 area. That one could be respected pretty well. So I'm just going to leave that one there for now. So ATXG, we got a high of 624. I got a little bit of support at 550, and I have room on this one up to like 691, which is not a lot. Maybe this one can keep going higher, but that daily is kind of tricky on this one. So put it on my side chart, keep an eye on it, we'll see what happens. Let me see what else. Cold. For some reason, I feel cold is the same way. It used to be really expensive. Yeah, 1,700 for this stock. Ouch. I was wondering why I couldn't hear Juanches and I had him muted. Oh. Dummy. Just kidding. Beat. Andres gone out beat. I'm looking at cold right now. We still got 7 minutes. So gold previous high kind of looks like it's right there, 1420. I don't know where this 10 level came from, so I'm going to leave this one alone. This one to me does not look good on the daily. I mean, it looks like we came up to resistance and then we're pulling back and even had pretty big gap downs. And if you look at the daily, we got a low of 906 down there. To me, this thing looks like it's going there. This might just be a small profit take, and this thing looks like it's going lower and lower. So I don't know how I feel about gold, just the daily chart. But we'll keep an eye on it. If it starts getting momentum, and that's what shorts thought, but we start squeezing them, then we'll get a trade. AMTD, this one so far, just real quick, looks the best. So you got an obvious high. You got a pre-market almost double top-ish. This one looks good. AMTD. Let me go look at the daily real quick. I'm putting it on my side chart. AMTD. The daily. Where are we at right now? 2. Okay, so that was that line. So we got 228. After that, we have you could have like 239-ish, and after that, I got way up here 341. So this one could open up. This one could open up. I like this one. I like this one. And then beat. Looks like John is in beat right now. Beat also looks really good. So high of 218. High of 218, which is already over the 200 moving average. So 200 moving average is at almost $2, 199, 93, 193 for that 200 moving average. So this one's good too. I like this one too. Next resistance, we got a big spike on the daily 239. That might be possible. Good morning over on YouTube, 8877 Joe. John over on YouTube as well. Arjun Trader on Tradecaster, good morning. Beat, John is in beat already. You know, I might try it anyways, just to see if it lets me. Where did you get an entry, John? It's actually gonna let me. I guess it let me. Oh, I don't even have my light. You guys can't tell I'm dark. My light probably doesn't make a big difference. Alright, so I like AMTD and I like beat so far. And John's already on beat, so I bet he's probably slightly green on this trade here, unless he got a pretty bad high fill. But I don't think so. John is the man. Let's see. My pullback level. Address, you trading today or not yet? Not yet. Ape Trades, breaking news. Joe Biden signs new $8 trillion stimulus regardless of the recent inflated CPA data reports. Not yet, bro. Damn, that sucks. Rosendo's also in on beat. My TikTok people, enjoy me while you can because I might be getting on timeout or something soon. Go over to my YouTube streams and my Treadcaster streams because my TikTok one might be putting on timeout soon. By the way, Lang, I know I told you yesterday again, but thanks for letting me know about that scammer, Lang. I know a lot of people might actually fall for those scams, so you never know. But I appreciate that. Wait, what happened? No new stimulus. Yeah, I figured when you said 8 trillion. By the way, I guess is there any other stocks on the gappers list? YouTube people, good morning, Remy. Good morning, Chris. What are we watching, bruh? I like AMTD and Beat. Any of these two right here. Market's about to open here in 10 seconds. Looking at Beat and looking at AMTD. AMTD kind of pulled back off that 214, but looking at Beat here. Let's get it, team. Let's get it, team. Didn't realize it was 10 seconds till open already. Beat that 193 is 200 moving average. I know it's not a clear resistance support, but this is 200 moving average here. And this high of day. After that, I could see 239, and I think it was like 240, 239. But let's keep an eye here on this one. So far, ATXG pulling back, AMTD pulling back. Beat is the only one holding up. You know, these first minute, 2 minutes. Good morning, Mersa. They hold up like this, and then the second minute, even though you think it's going green, even though you think it's holding, that second, third minute just completely flushes it. So not rushing anything here. Gonna be patient today. Gonna be patient on this play here. You guys already know the drill. Lazy Trader, hello. Good morning, man. Or afternoon, or good night, or wherever you live. So Beat, still trying to go. Beat trying to go for highs. ATC getting bought up. Oh, look at that flush. That's exactly what I was saying. Be careful with on AMTD, completely reversed. Red to green on AMTD. Let's see, can we get through this 214 pivot here on AMTD? How much stronger was this reversal here? This green engulfing candle on AMTD. Is this a nice candle looking for the break of 214? This candle here has 8 seconds left. Let's see if we get like a little spike down or a little retest of VWAP here real quick and see if we continue going up to that 214. There's a lot of orders right there. Oh my gosh. Kind of a weaker breakout there. Wasn't really looking for a breakout. I was looking for a pullback and kind of just continue grinding it up. But gave me a little breakout there. I mean, I will definitely take it, but not what I was looking for. ATXG also doing the same thing. Red to green moves on both of these stocks here. Yeah, no Inox just called that one out. So I got in on $50 on this one. Wow. I got in on AMTD, that little bit of a retest there, and moved back up. ATXG, my bad. That wasn't even close. Ape Trades. I don't know what you were trying to type, but it definitely was not ATXG. ATXG coming back up. Tesla pulling back. I need Tesla to pull back today. Apple, I am not going to look at large caps right now. I can look at them a little bit later, but not right now. This is my main time to trade these low cap penny stocks. This is where I make the most of my money. First 30, 40 minutes, an hour. And so I do not want to get distracted looking at large caps right now. Beat is kind of still holding up. Beat. So I don't know if Beat is just gonna kind of consolidate here and then make the nice move, or this one just people are gonna completely ignore it. Sniper trades. Good morning, Snappa. ATXG. I like AMTD over 214 as well. So Beats, see if we get a nice move. We need volume to come in on this one now. It looks like people are starting to letting it go. Look at that green volume there. Not as many buyers. But AMTD over 2. Oh, Beat is trying to go. Beat kind of 206. Let's see if we hold this 206. Let's see. Beat wants to make a nice instant move all the way up to highs. Let's see. 20 seconds left on this candle here. Wow, this one's going for highs. This is good though. Let's see if we hold this move, and then this one could be a nice squeeze. I might jump in small share size. I want a bigger ad. 5 seconds left here. Let's get the re-ad for let's get the re-ad for high of day, man. I'm gonna keep the pressure on though. I'm gonna keep the pressure on. It's holding 218 pivot. I want to see it hold 218 and see if a lot of buyers step in and get a very nice squeeze again. There we go. Kept the pressure on him right there. 2,000 shares left. 221 stop. Break even already. Actually, I want to take a little bit more off. I got it just in time. Yes, sir. Bro, 214 pivot on AMTD already is going there. Oh my gosh. Dude, I didn't get the first big ad, man. That's the one I wanted. The first big ad is the one that I needed. I jumped in this thing with 1,500 shares, and that was it. AMTD 214 pivot as well. And this one we're looking for 228. Good momentum over on Beat so far. How's my morning going so far? Well, I just made there $300 and $400. I'm already up $400 on the day for you. That fast. How many hours do you trade? I probably 2 hours a day, and I'm done. AMTD after holding 214 pivot is going again. Looking for 228 on AMTD. That could be a double top, but that is pre-market high on, not pre-market, that's yesterday's high, sorry. But it's getting up to their AMTD. This one for some reason looks a little bit extended to me. Looks like I fully got out of Beat already, so on Beat I'm up 280. Didn't get the full, man, I need to just stop averaging in. I need to just hit the button right away. Full share size on some of these. I wanted to add 5,000. Well, 218 pivot is still holding on this one actually. Let's see if we can get a dip on this one actually. On Beat. Let's see if we get a nice 1 minute flag here or anything like that. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a dip on this one. Volume is dying on this one so far. That's a good thing on pullbacks. Here, let's see if we get another pullback here. Kind of back down to 213. Down there. I added down there. Let's see if buyers step in after that ad down there. Got a very low ad right there. Looked pretty good. Nice add down there. I want to see if we keep holding 218. Look at this volume completely going away here at 218. And I want to see if we start opening up again. I want to see if we start opening up again and get a nice little pop again like that, kind of like that. But I want to hold it still. So 2,000 shares. 2,000 shares, 217 stop. Let's see if we can get this squeeze all the way back up. Let's see if we can get the squeeze all the way back up. Let's see if we can get the squeeze all the way back up. Looking for 234. Oh my goodness. Drip along the way. Oh, might be getting stopped out. Oh my gosh, AMTD, what the frick? Oh, what the heck? And ATXG. I'm watching the only stock not ripping. Dude, are you kidding me? I'm watching and I'm in on the only stock not ripping. ATXG's halted. Why do I always do, like, why does that always happen to me? Come on, your turn now. Here, come on. What? Okay, stupid Thinkorswim. I swear to God, one of these days I'm gonna freaking call you guys. I didn't have an order out and I couldn't take 500. I had to stop at completely. It wouldn't let me sell 500 here, even though I had 1,500 left. Okay, back to AMTD. Dude, how does that happen? AMTD holding yesterday's high of day still. AMTD right here, 228 is yesterday's highs. And honestly, beat. I'm fully out of beat. I added another $100 on that one. Honestly, beat kind of pulling back 5 minutes, but I want to look at AMTD. Oh, terrible slippage on AMTD. I have to get out of that real quick. Lost $18 on that one. I want a lower add on AMTD. I want AMTD to keep pulling back. ATXG resumes 943.29. Got it. AMTD still holding down here. Very low volume, holding at 228 still. Let's see if we can keep catching a little bit of a pullback here. Back down to like 223-ish. Kind of like that almost. A little bit more. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're not gonna rip for us? Yeah, you are. Look at all those buyers coming in. Look at all those buyers coming in. Look at all those buyers coming in on AMTD, looking for high day again, 237, and then I'm looking for 239 on this one. Oh, whew, whew. Dodged a bullet there. That's why I always have a stop. All right, we're still going. ATXG, where are we going, baby? Joe Young, where you at? What website am I using? This is Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. Beat still holding that low, that pullback right there on Beat. I'm liking that. Well, I was liking that. Actually, now it's kind of recovering with lower volume on buyers, so I don't like that. ATXG, 38.29 halted. 38. That looks like. Oh, it's resumed. Break of 7. Watch. Yep. Ooh, this one's getting a little bit stuffed. A little bit stuffed on this one. Watch it. Careful. There's 7. 701 could be a nice entry for sniper trades. Watch. 7 breaks. Gonna go 720. Wow. AMTD completely got bought. Look at AMTD. AMTD. 228 pivot holds. I'm back in on this one. Right here. Oh, I thought this one was gonna rip right away. Yeah, I gotta be careful on this one. I gotta be careful on that one. So I took a $50 loss there. I just with that reclaim, I just thought this thing was gonna go, man. When you see big reclaims like that, ugh, so, those are worth chasing sometimes. Beat HKD and dress. I didn't realize that HKD was making a big move yesterday, but it did. ATXG looking for. Oh, I guess we got the break of 7. Never hit 720. My bad. ATXG though, I don't really want to keep chasing up here. AMTD was one that I okay, ATXG going for high still. Only thing I'm thinking is $7 retest, but this is getting to the point where it's a little bit risky up here. A little bit risky. Kevin, you really need to look at HKD at reclaim after it holds down. Why are you and ATXG there? Sympathy plays and flush doesn't make. Wow, look at this ATXG. ATXG, the one that I just didn't trade. Looking for 751 break here. Yep, there it is, 751. Didn't break though. I don't know where to chase ATXG, man. And ATXG had a perfect 1-minute flag down there. ATXG had a perfect 5-minute flag. Beat. Yeah, beat. I saw the flag, but I missed the low entry. There's maybe $7 here on ATXG, but I don't know. This one's risky. That could have been the entry right there. This could be the entry right here. It's just risky. I don't know. I can't. Yeah, I know you on TikTok believe in yourself. You were calling ATXG this whole time. AMTD. John bought at 7, sold at 740 on ATXG. Nice. Beats still going up here. Beat the 208 was a good entry on Beat. Man, the Nvidia 138 call looks juicy to me. You think market has another leg up, or at least Nvidia? You know, Nvidia's one stock that I have for my long term that is probably the biggest red. I don't know what. Nvidia should be a good company. I like Nvidia, you know. I think Nvidia's got a future, and they're the ones that are like the biggest red on my account. And I averaged down on them a little bit, and they still went down. So maybe you're right. It's due for a bounce. Add on downtrend retest. Maybe I missed it. Where did you make your downtrend? Right here, maybe? Yeah. Like that. Hard drop. I do think another hard drop might be coming. So Unfortunately, I think I gave some profit back. Yeah, so I made 370 here, and then I gave back. Yeah, I need to just jump in bigger share size on the first initial trades, because those are the ones that I do make my money on, that I'm positive on, that I'm confident on. So, I mean, I'm up 350, 370 here, and then I lost a little bit on AMTD now, down 50 on this one. AMTD also has a clean. AMTD keeps getting destroyed, man. Something is up with AMTD. Urban Trade saying SPY up to 396, and then some puts. ATXG got in, got it, and MEGL got it. MEGL was one from yesterday too. I did not look at that one at all. Man, AMTD keeps recovering. Look at AMTD. What is going on? What is AMTD's float? This thing is moving like crazy. MEGL. We didn't see MEGL today at all. Nobody saw it. Sniper Trade's calling it out now, but it's already made a pretty nice move. As a matter of fact, it hasn't broken 750 yet though. MEGL definitely on watch, guys. And AMTD, I mean, AMTD might make a nice squeeze here somewhere. Look at that buying volume on that candle. Oh my gosh. AMTD is probably the most manipulated stock I've ever seen. ATXG 701 got out 721. AMTD follows HKD. Oh. Oh, I didn't know that. BBBY on watch. Okay. Hey, looking for beat squeeze. Yeah. Beat, for some reason, cannot get over 218 on beat. HKD, Kevin. I know you're calling HKD. I cannot trade HKD, man. I just cannot take a big amount of risk with this thing. I just cannot. I know I'm leaving a lot, but I could literally blow up my account if I trade this thing. MEGL had a big resistance at 750. Oh, I see. 737 was previous high day. Nice trace one. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look at B2. What is going on today? You can't. It's like these little flushes right here make you scared, dude. These things make you scared to take any type of trades. But totally get it. Lose money all the time, so I'll gamble. So just saying though, Sterling Grin. Yeah, I get you, Kevin. I like the way you trade, man. It's definitely interesting, but definitely not something that I'm willing to take the risk on. Looks like shorts got pissed off today. Looks like we squeezed a couple shorts on ATXG, squeezed a couple shorts on AMTD, squeezed a couple shorts on Beat, and every single short in the market got pissed off and completely um, wow. Oh, you're looking at 624. VWAP was right there though, and the low of this candle right here too. But I do see that 624. That was still high of day yesterday. MEGL still trying to anticipate the break of 750 on this one. No, Inox got caught up on that beat flush. Dang it. Sorry, bro. It happens. It happens. Let me see something real quick. Dang it. ATXG setting up again. Dude, some of these flushes though are getting scary. But yeah, that 624 is there. 620. $1 away from your entry on SPY to go short. Dude, why is the market doing this, man? We should be going down into the abyss. As a matter of fact, I want everything to go down into the abyss. I got literally $700,000 cash sitting on the side waiting to put this in. I don't have that much. I'm kidding, people. I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I got more than that. You think I only have 700,000? I'm not that poor. SHPH dump that sucks. Bought pre, held thinking it would do something today, and in sympathy HKD, but dumped down 850 on that one. Ghost Rider! What up, Ghost Rider? ATXG held that VWAP several times. This stock that's still on the back end of this huge freaking gap down, or yeah, this thing is. Bro, I know it was frosted. No, it was cinnamon toast crunch, dude. Cinnamon toast crunch, cinnamon toast crunch. My TikTok people, how you guys doing? My YouTube people, Ride to Lightning, ATXG is my stock today. As in, you're still watching it, or that's the one you made your money on? I don't know, guys. That was your second pick. I don't know, guys. I always have the worst luck in picking whenever there's momentum. I always pick the wrong stock for some reason. I traded Beat through this move here. Beautiful move. Beautiful. Got myself up almost $400 profit. And then I looked at ATXG on my side chart. Boom, up $1.50, $2 a share. And then I looked at AMTD at the same time. Boom, up. Oh, I guess this is not up that much. It's just 40 cents, but it was ripping for that. Lang is up 200 on CMRA. What the heck are you trading, boy? CMRA. Kevin, HKD, AMTD, same company. They moved together, but AMTD way slow today. Yeah. I knew that, but I totally forgot about it in somebody point. I'm gonna put HKD on the side just so I can take a look at it, Kevin. Just so I can take a look at it. How do you deal with all the halts down though? And you're not scared this thing is gonna go back down to 45 from yesterday? Urban Trades. I don't know if you're in it or not, but SPY is kind of pulling back. I mean, I see that 395, 395.9. Oh, that 396. Holy crap! There's like 10 wicks up there. So people definitely see that. It's still holding ATXG. Bought yesterday at 460. Dang, somebody on TikTok bought ATXG at 460s yesterday. Darth Trader, what's up, Darth Trader? AK-47 been calling HKD saying anything over 300 he's in. He just locked up 5,500 with 100 shares. I want ATXG, man. Yeah, I did two ape trades. Man, I'm not changing HKD. HKD, I mean, that's such a big risk. And I'm a risk taker, but not that kind of risk taker. Bro, you know how freaking these other people ape trades don't have stop losses? I guarantee you he got burned so hard on beat right there. What the heck, Sniper Trace? Where'd you get that money from? Where'd you steal that money from, bro? AMTD kind of popping back up again, but you know, HKD is it's gonna do what HKD does. MEGL is still looking for that 750 break on this one. Although volume is not quite there. I don't know where buyers went. Buyers made their money on ATXG AMTD beat in the first 3 minutes and they decided to call it a day. Juan Trace, to be honest, AK-47 doesn't take risk. If he's doing it, there's a legit reason behind it. Well, alright. Looking at MEGL 750 break. Missed that breakout there. There it is. Wow. I was eyeballing this one all day long. There's 750 there. Maybe there's continuation on this stock. Maybe. Let's see how it holds up. Let's see if we catch a small, tiny bounce. Let's see. Don't want to catch a flush again. Or close to it. Wow, close right at 750. Of course. Yeah, I can't take that. I can't take that. That's not my strat. That's not my strat. I don't like it closing that close, and I don't know where to get in if it does. So I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna leave that one alone. Do you see him take trades often? I've gone into his room several times and I've never seen him take a trade. I see he'll call out a lot of things, and I mean, I could tell you a lot of things right now. I could have said, look, I told you so. MEGL is going to, MEGL was going to break 750, guys. I told you so. You know, you should have just bought it, but, you know, where you did. The fact of getting the good price, good entry, knowing where to put your stop and stuff is a different story. MEGL 750 still here. This could be a little bit of a I don't know, that volume died on that volume on that candle going up. 735 could be a nice retest though. 735 I'll definitely think. $735, let's see. Or 750 is gonna keep holding. Man, ATXG Ape Trades does not want to dip down at all. Where's the next room on this one? 50 EMA 820s, that's a lot. This pop down here on MEGL definitely had lower volume. But I'm not seeing buyers step in here. There's a 730. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. I sat here this whole time on MEGL and you're gonna tell me that I can't place market orders on this stupid stock? Forget about MEGL. I am not trading limit orders, so screw that. Let's see if my trade would have worked though. Snipe that entry right there at 735. Maybe it saved me a couple bucks here. AMRS gone. AMRS. Oh wow, AMRS. AMRS looking for the pullback. We got pivot here at like 412. That's very low. Oh my gosh. Did you get in on this one, Coots, at all? No, you missed it. Also, why is it moving so slow now? And where is this thing going? $5 is next, but I got 514 after that. Bro, what do I trade? I trade stocks. Actually, buying the stock rather than saying you are in a completely different feeling. And Juan, I see you trade 700 profit daily with multiple trades, so I usually buy what you do and gamble when I buy IPOs. Kevin, you must have a lot of money, bro, because for me to gamble on HKD, I'd have to literally be sitting on millions of dollars for me to take a trade like that. Who in here do I have? Okay, I'm kind of curious now. Do I? If you don't want to say, then don't say anything or anything like that. But do I have anybody in here who has a profession like outside of trading, like they do something from home and make a killing of money, or like somebody's secretly like filthy rich in here? Do I have anybody like that? I don't though. I just do 3K or so, sometimes 5K, but nothing more than that, and it's all profit. Yeah, yeah, you're right. You're right, Kevin. Do I have anybody in here that's like, yeah, dude, I'm like an ex freaking do this or that? If you guys don't want to share, then just don't say I don't want to share. Trader 123, 200K, year 9 to 5. Okay. Sniper Traits is a researcher at AMD Anderson. Okay, okay. I make money on downside. I'm not rich. You probably have more money than me. I don't know about that, Kevin. I don't know. Ape Traits. Ape Traits, you made a killing last year, bro. Q Trader 127 to 3. Oh my god, Ape Traits. See what happens when you freaking distract me, bro? Okay, okay, so I got a couple people, I'm not gonna lie though. No, actually, no, never mind. I was gonna say having a $100,000 job, 9 to 5, would be nice. And then I'm like, nah, I don't want to be sitting here 9 to 5. Beat. Somebody said soaking it up. Beat is trying to reclaim VWAP. It sucks, bro. Yeah, that 624 area on ATXG was money. Beat is the one coming back up. Let's pay attention, guys. Beat reclaiming VWAP. Let's see what Beat wants to do. Does Beat come back and squeeze everybody out again? Where's our... We could take a small dip trade here, I guess. Let's see if this wants to keep squeezing. I wanted to see where the downtrend is. Oh, that is the downtrend right there. Oh, come on, man. You stopped me out with that. Alright, Beats making a nice move. Beat making a nice move. Volume is there. That's a good volume so far. I jumped in on that one. It was already up 70 bucks, but I put a stop in place, break even, just so I could draw my little downtrend stuff and see where their bounce could be. And I got stopped out. But Beat, still looking at Beat. Even if I get like a retest down to that VWAP or 2A downtrend or something like that, I will still be interested on that one. So let's keep an eye on this one. As long as we don't get super stuffed on this candle here. So here, if it drops all the way down to like that 208 again, maybe take an entry down there. Let's see, watching B, watching B. Doesn't want to dip down at all. I see 111 on the bids there. No, man. Give us a good entry, and I guarantee you a lot more buyers are going to step in. 218 is a nice pivot to break on this one. Same thing as earlier. 218 was a high, previous high. So let's see if we can break 218. You want to see HKD hit 2600 today? Still looking at beats. See if we get a ATXG. I guess I don't feel that bad about missing it. Completely not working. But beat is getting some good volume here. We just need to get through certain pivots, certain levels. Otherwise, we're just gonna flush, and buyers are gonna quickly bail out. Either get two candles like that, and they should have pulled back, and then a fresh move, or now you gotta get going. Otherwise we're gonna get stuffed. MEGL kind of came down, touched that ADMA, maybe still looking pretty decent down there, but I cannot buy market orders, and I don't know why. I just refuse to trade limit orders. So I guess I could have done a limit order on that one, but oh well. Wadboy, are you in on HKD at all though, or no? Yeah, 206 is the retest that I'm looking on beat right now. Come on, keep pulling back down, beat. Keep pulling back down. And you'll get a fresh new set of buyers. Bro, where is the bid stacked on this thing? Why are y'all stacked right here at 2-1? What the frick is 2-1? That was a nice 5-minute candle. I would have loved to seen a pullback here on a 5-minute candle down to 206 with low volume. A wild boy. You won't look at HKD until 12? Infinite scrub. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look who we have in the house. Look who we have in the house. The person responsible for trying to hack into my bank account right here. Never trust your best friends, guys. Right, Ape Trades? You're the somebody. No, Sniper Trade said it. I bet it was Infinite. Don't pretend like you don't know Infinite. What is my moving average configuration? Sorry, I have the 9 and 20 on my 1 minute. Sniper Trades, wasn't it you when I was talking about almost getting hacked on my bank account? You were like, I bet it was that friend that was trading with you in the room. Ape Chase, here we go. Dude, Infinite, Ape Trace is like apparently a god in multiverses, bro. Ape Trace says he can beat anybody on multiverses. Top 1K in the world. ATXG going again. I've not taken another trade. I'm still up on the day. I was waiting for beat to pull back down to that 206. I like beat at 206. As a matter of fact, it's trying to pull back down to that one right now. 206 and I'll be in on beat. ATXG also looks strong but keeps getting stuffed. ATXG is between 624 and 692-ish, almost $7. Beat, where's the pullback on beat? I want a little bit of a flush pullback here. Give me a nice 5-minute candle on the 5. That's what I'm looking for here to touch down there. Even touch the ADMA. There it is. Add it down there on beat. Add it down there on beat. Let's see if I can get another add or lower add. Wow, that thing is pulling back crazy. Well, I saw a couple buyers step in. I was instantly like almost $100 green. But that did pull a little bit more aggressive than I wanted it to. I will say that. I might have to cut that one there and look for for the downtrend retest maybe. I don't know if this was the ad place or not. It's touching the ADMA down there. You know what? Might just go for it, but a little bit bigger share size. If I get that lower ad again, maybe. I don't want to catch a flush. Okay. Well, that was a bounce. That was a bounce. Frick my life. Gosh dang it. I bought 5K shares and didn't hold them. So I was up like 370 and dropped it down to 320. So I lost like 40, 50 dollars. Ape Trades, even Apex Infinity? Wait. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Bro, dude. Ape Infinite has no idea what he's talking about, dude. We did 1v1s on Apex, which you know it's kind of hard to do 1v1s. We did like 15 of them. FFIE. I beat him 14 out of 15. He literally had to pick the worst guns that I hate in the game in order for him to beat me. Man, Beat, did anybody get that 206 dip that I was saying? That 206 dip? There we go, Blair. There we go, Blair. I got it. I got a little shaken out of it again. Didn't trust it. Looked pretty red. Stopped out. Re-entered. Got my money back. Even Ape Trades told me yesterday. He was like, "Man, you need to not sell and re-add because you're taking paper cuts like that." And I just did it again, Ape Trades. My bad. My bad. You're the stock master here. Beat has patent FDA approval today. Can't believe it's not moving to 250 after initial pump pre-market. Those IPOs taking all the momentum. Yeah, they really are. They really are. Yeah, that dip did. Yeah, looking to sell here. Sniper Trades looked like he took that one. Good job, Sniper Trades. Hey, mate, you had a bearish engulfing candle. No, that's buying the dip, bro. You gotta buy the dip. 912 SMA or EMA. Sorry, 9 and 20 EMAs on my 1 minute chart. EMA. 9 and 20. Sorry, my TikTok people. ATXG kind of still bouncing. I set it between 624 and 692, and look at that, tipped it. Ape Trades literally since September hit, his mind complete. Since September hit, Ape Trades' mind literally flipped. Literally was like, if I want to buy here, I'm gonna sell. If I want to sell here, I'm gonna buy. And look at him, 9 days green. Sometimes you have to realize you're so bad at something to do the opposite and then get it right. Bro, I feel like I might get banned on TikTok for being hateful to you guys. TikTok gonna be like, bro, you can't be talking like that, man. Sniper Trades took that trade because of me. He got a nice win. I expect a little bit of a lunch today. Wow, Ape Trades, that's good, man. Good job. Hey, man, been trading full time for 4 years on the Swedish stock market. Just started to the U.S. Oh my God, it's such a big difference. Feel like a noob again. Hey, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate it. And yeah, man, you're gonna learn a lot here. You're gonna learn here. We're all a big team here. What a slow moving beat now. I mean, it kind of just died off, but what are you saying? You had a bearish engulfing candle, the one that you bought. If you measure, no, bro, I would not expect another test of the pin cavity. Look, I was saying 206. I said 206. Look where it dipped down to and then recovered. So I was right. Today has been one of my best days in a long, bro. I hope we see this more often. Good job, Sniper Trace. What are you up? Almost 3K on the day? Yeah, Lang. No, no, no. Yeah, it is Lang, but we're all good now. Kevin and I are buds, bro. Kevin is my number one, not my number one fan, but he's a big fan on YouTube now. I like Kevin. Kevin's cool with me now, and I'm cool with Kevin. Beat 11.2 flow rotation so far. Crowded, but could squeeze. Still wait. I'm still looking at it. That first 206 entry was nice. I almost said number one fan, Kevin, and don't get offended, but Rob over there on number one fan, he's commenting on all my videos, likes all my videos. So I really appreciate you, Rob. But you know what? Y'all are all tied for number one, so. AMRS again? Oh, frick. Beat is still kind of holding up. That SPY, man, is that your target, Urban? It hit 390, 598. That should have been close enough to get in, right? FFIE, somebody said FFIE as well. FFIE is still kind of going. I've been watching it on my side chart, but I never saw a clear entry, and I never saw the real volume on this one, so still just watching it. Beat, for me, is the one. Beat this 206 level. You know, I like the first bounce sometimes, maybe the second bounce, but for this one, I don't know if I like this again. This seemed pretty tough through here. EOS, somebody's calling out EOS. EOS was the stock from yesterday. I have a resistance 269. What is that? Oh, okay. 285 high on EOS. Dude, where is the volume on all these things? So MRSA re-added back on, looks like, on Beat. Dude, you're taking this right here, but a lot of times you won't get that second retest. You'll get the first retest there. I mean, I get you were right for calling that second one, but taking the second one, I would rather take the first one. A lot of the times you will not get a second dip. Or if you take the second dip, you're gonna get flushed on. Right here, look at this. This is kind of the resistance. That's your first dip. That's the one you take. If you take that second dip right here, look what happens. For my TikTok person right there. Gotta go to an appointment. See you later. Awesome, Melvin R. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hopefully you made some money. Oh my gosh, Spy. Rosendo, nice. Rosendo with a 40-cent gain on EOS. 2 days was too long. Yeah, yeah. Look, lag. I'm gonna read the message from Kevin right here. Yeah, I got off that negative stuff. I became a troll because before I knew it very embarrassing, to be honest. After I read what I posted a month ago or whatever it was. Okay, okay. Awesome. I'm telling you, Kevin, you and I. What happened to Spy is pulling back. I'm telling you that 396. Why can't I show it on top? There we go. This is Spy, right? This is the Spy chart. Right here. Look how many retests of that area we had. That's why Urban and I were saying 396 area. 396, that might be a put area. That might be a short area. It literally came up to hit that line perfectly and pulled back. So I hope you guys took some puts on that. I was looking at it, I called it, but I honestly didn't jump in on it. Yeah, I do have. Yeah. I do have more media. I'm streaming on tradecaster.com and YouTube. YouTube as well. Morning team, I'm in late today. You missed all the action, bro. Man, that spy short would have been money there. You scalped one put there, okay. Nothing crazy. Momentum gapper, picking up a couple stocks, but I don't think any of these stocks. I just kind of recognize them. CHPT, not a stock that's gonna have crazy momentum. DKNG, not a stock that's gonna have crazy momentum. So I kind of just recognize these, and kind of off my momentum gapper, I'm like, no, I'm not gonna trade those. Yeah, I could see that, John. I could see that. But the only thing on beat that I will be looking for is for a nice green candle, break 218, hold 218, rip to highs. That's kind of what I want to be looking for. But I want to be cautious on a nice green candle here to actually hold that move. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Marsa, you were a tad bit late on that comment. I'm telling you, these things today looks like shorts got pissed. Always look left, right? What's the biggest candles? That one, and that one. What about ATXG? Well, not that many. That one's not pretty decent. We did get a good move, but no continuation at all. Look at that. AMTD again. Look at this. Flush, flush, flush. They're all doing the same thing. They're all doing the same thing. Inverse charts. That does suck. That does suck. Especially because, again, I pulled the trigger early. I was right about my trades. And I keep making the same dumb excuse that I didn't jump in full share size. I never got to. But then again, I did the right thing. You know, this is a breakout trade, and I took my first trade right there on that candle. That's a breakout trade. Right under high of days, but that's a breakout trade. I could have gone this move here. I could have gone this move there on that breakout. So if I would have jumped in 5K shares, 10K shares there, and got that move right there, that's instantly down $1,000. So I'm not upset that I didn't take full share size on a breakout, but maybe I did have a nice little add here to add to that position, and then get that next leg up, which I didn't add. So I did some math. I'm up 3,500 from copying one. Not all trades, but some never lost more than 700 and always made back within a day or so if I was red. So grateful for that. Lost 8K with Ross after buying his scores for thousands versus Juan's 300. See what I'm saying? How stupid I feel after being a troll. Dang, Kevin. Awesome, Kevin. Awesome. I really appreciate it, Kevin. I really appreciate it. It takes a lot for somebody to admit they're wrong and completely switch everything. So I really do appreciate it. No, I don't do any crypto. Why are people so obsessed with crypto? Like, what is it about crypto that attracts so many people? Crypto and Forex. Like, can somebody explain to me? Blair's in big with crypto? But why? Like, can people pull up? I'm sure you can, but can people pull up crypto like ETH and Bitcoin and day trade it like us, like we do every day? But I mean, it's the same thing. Wouldn't it be just like almost like trading Tesla or something like that? But like, I bought you a boat almost another 8K or so. I'm buying boat and Juan trades on back. I'll go fishing with you, bro. Let's go fishing. Dude, I don't think I could even trade 24/7. I'd go stir crazy. Even now, I don't know how John, dude. I don't know how John wakes up at 6 in the morning to trade stocks and stays all the way until 3 p.m. or whatever, freaking 3 p.m. my time. I don't know what time he lives in, but bro, this guy puts in more than 8 hours a day trading. He used to trade Doge every day. You know, I think Doge is one of my luckiest trades. I got into. We're not seeing anything, right? My momentum scanner is frozen, basically. What is my broker? TD Ameritrade is a broker. Chicago, same time as you right now is 9:30 by me. Yeah, yeah. I live in Arizona. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. to be fresh at 6:30. No, no, no. I had the luckiest trade on Doge, bro. SPY is just tanking after it. It literally tipped 396 and it's just straight up tanking. I bet we take that lower downtrend line too. Frick, man. Why does it do this? So this is SPY again. Hold on. So this is SPY right now, right? I'm thinking this is just a giant bear flag. So nice move, big old dump, kind of holding there, touch 396, instant buy puts, instant flush down. And I'm thinking we take out this trend line here, and I'm thinking this thing is just gonna go down through that. I think that the place to be to enter this trade would have definitely been here. Unless we break down through this level here and then retest it like that and then make that next move down. But holy crap, 396 was the place to enter. Gosh dang. I'm in Texas. Dang, I wish I would have taken that SPY. Jesse, same thing, just more risk. Flush, which one? Jesse at YouTube, where you at? Are you short? Please tell me you're short on everything. Jesse doesn't miss any trades. Rob S, appreciate everybody on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the thumbs up. Comment on the chat so more people can see it. Gets promoted more and more people can join the stream. So appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if this is your first time here, anybody watching, please let me know. First time here, anybody watching? Urban is already out here for the day. Awesome. Zach, yeah, that's earlier hours are tough. I live in Los Angeles and I have to get up at 6 just for normal market hours. Yeah, I don't know if I ever would have gone into trading if I had to get up at 5:30 every morning. I legit don't know if I would have. Zach, are you still holding your put on SPY or you let it go? Dang, SPY had a just big old rejection up there. Maybe we need to start looking at SPY more often because that was an obvious given short. Okay, look at LS. Look at LSTA, you said. Oh, another IPO, dude. Why does the price on this one say it went from 0 to 938? It literally says 0. Beats is still holding that 193 level down there. 193 is your 200 moving average on Beats, so we're still holding it. That could be a good thing, but right now it's not making a move at all. LSDA, crazy range on this thing. I mean, this is the definition of crazy range. Look at the stock here. It goes from 8 to 9 right there pretty quick. Well, I guess it's just like most of the other stocks, but no volume. So this is a Kevin stock here. This is a Kevin stock here. MEGL. Somebody, John said, I backheld position on MEGL early like an idiot. Lost a good chunk. Only up 53 now today. Ugh. We don't backhold, John. You know that. We don't backhold in this market. But you know that, you know that. Lesson learned. You had your little moment of experimenting that, and you learned. AMRS? No way. I would not take that trade. I see that, but look at the move you've lost, though. Infinite, are you still in here? Infinite Scrub, are you still in here? Oh, Infinite Scrub is in here. Guys, do have to say this. Any PC related tech questions, please, please, please. Infinite Scrub is at your disposal. No, I'm being serious. He helped out Mursa. Mursa had a new had to get a new graphics card, and so Ty, Infinite Scrub Ty, was like, yeah, man, this is the one you should get. You should get this one. Check this one out. You should get this one. This is a better price for your buck. Whatever, all that stuff. And Mercer had a couple questions. Was like, hey, can you help me install it? What else do I need to do and stuff like that. And so they hopped on a call, and Infinite Scrubs tried to just help them out. So, any questions you guys do have? Hey, how are you, C? What's up, mommy Gold P? Um, so yeah. Any PC tech related questions? Don't hesitate to ask Infinite Scrub. It's the same freaking username on Discord than it is on here Tradecaster. MEGL is kind of recovering. I mean, MEGL is only a limit order stock, so we'll have to take a look at this one. I just don't like limit stocks because, you know, sometimes you get into a breakout trade or you try to buy the dip real quick and it instantly just like flushes, and I can't panic sell. You know, I have to look for a specific limit order, put it there, and hopefully I get filled. So, you know, the risk with limit orders for me, it's worth me just not taking it. And then what was I gonna say? Oh, Infinite, my stomach kind of hurts. Dude, my stomach hurts, bro. Something wrong with your title. Live trading. Oh, dude, I forgot to freaking change the title. I totally forgot I had to do that on freaking YouTube. Damn, I forgot. Yeah, thank you, thank you. I don't even know if oh, I can change it here. EOS, EOS back up. EOS 285 was high yesterday. So I would like EOS to pick up some volume, man. I like EOS, but I need some volume on EOS. I guess I'm probably up like $300 today. Not a lot. But you know what? For me right now, small gains are adding up. Yeah, I'm only up $300. Wow. For taking good trades today. That's definitely frustrating. Dude, I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've had 8 days in a row, and so far September is definitely the lowest profit month of the year. Still. Ouch. EU's volume coming in on these candles a little bit. Yeah, that is definitely good volume there. MEGL still kind of holding up. Kevin's still waiting on HKD. SPY kind of still holding that low down there. Dipped down to that 392. I think somebody said 392. EOS volume coming in on EOS. I would look for a retest of that 269 almost. MEGL, and then it recovers half of it, and then it recovers half of it. That's crazy. I thought today was gonna be a great day. We started off the day amazing, and now literally nothing is moving. EOS could be the only one, but it's not even letting a pullback happen. You had a 740 average. Dang. That sucks, John. But you know you can't think about that. You can't go back in time. So lesson learned is just don't backhold anything. And I know you know that. I know sometimes we could break our own rules, and that's part of it. I mean, I know sometimes I break my rules, and it's okay. So we just gotta let them not happen so often. You are gonna go play again? EOS getting some volume again. EOS still getting some volume. Looking for a 285 break on EOS. Nice, nice, nice. I need to go play golf again. I want to, but EOS volume, but where is the pullback on EOS? I see 274 small tiny resistance from yesterday. I want to see if maybe that holds since we didn't really. The weather gets cold. Yeah, I probably could, but I mean sometimes it does get pretty cold in the winter and in the summer, bro. It's so hot you probably don't even want to be out there, dude. It gets so hot sometimes. Like 105 is hot. The trader, what you got, the trader? The EOS had very good volume on that previous candle right now. This new candle's forming here. We do have still 3 minutes left on this candle because the volume is not there yet. But looking for 285, yesterday's high on this one, and that's pretty much it. 269 would have been a good retest, good pivot, but we never got 269. Holy crap. I'm gonna bore you guys to death. You know what? Here, I got an idea. I got an idea. Oh, 274. Oh, I didn't realize that 5 minutes gonna look terrible though. Okay. 274 EOS pivot is kind of holding so far. But that 5-minute is getting absolutely destroyed right here. You bought to beat at 9:50 and hold until 10:07. I'm guessing you're an hour ahead, so you probably bought it at 8:50 and you're holding till 9:07. But you like beat 5-minute flag? I don't see one. Are you talking about a giant flag here? I see it, I see it. That's a big flag, big flag. Yeah, I see it, I see it. At first I thought you were looking like a small like 5-minute flag like this, but now I see what you're saying. This could be a little retest there, but volume is not there at all. FSR looking to break high of day. FSR. Oh, I'm looking for something with volume, man. There's a high of day. Were you in? I mean, 4-cent high. The trader calling that one out real quick there. Andres calling this one here. But, you know, I always look left as far as like resistances, but also look left as far as like volume. And so if you see this push here, that's a nice push on the actual chart, right? But look at that volume. There's nothing on there. That is not the volume that we need to do this kind of move here or this kinds of move here, you know? I mean, it's barely anything. What is this? Only 140,000 when it before it had 900,000. That's almost an eighth of it, you know? So it makes it riskier. It makes it riskier to take a losing trade. I do not trade crypto, no. I do not trade crypto or anything with, oh, I guess just crypto or forex. I don't do anything with currencies either. No, I only trade stocks. That's all I trade. Mercer still thinks this is gonna go. Gladys sold SHBH at a loss 800. It's down 50% today. So Mercer did add on that one. I hope it works for you, Mercer. EOS almost dipped down to that 269. That would have been the place to add on EOS 270. Yep, but that's the one I was looking at, and that's the one I wanted to. That's the one I would have definitely taken right there. MEGL setting up on multi-day. You know, one thing I haven't like gotten good at is reading those multi-days. Like I see a daily chart and I just plot resistances, but I don't quite read them like, oh, this is the third day or second day, and this day it should just pull back and slight volume, and then the third or fourth day should rip. You know, I'm not like that on the daily. Um, which is fine with me. I mean, I know what I'm good at, I know what I'm not. I could just see resistances and I trade the chart what it's telling me today and just base it off daily resistances. But I see a lot of people are like, oh, this is a pattern on the daily and it should go and stuff like that. EOS, if it pulls back to 269 again, or even retest this 270, I will probably get a little bit on that one. I do like that one. Kevin, good way to take out a freaking loss real quick. You know, way to just not bag hold and take a loss and avoid damaging your account. So good job. I am trading stocks. I'm trading stocks. Beat is still going for you, Mersa. It's not pulling away, but it's going. Thanks to Andres calling out that break of downtrend. Beat that 218 pivot has got to get over it. It's got to get over 218 pivot. Yeah, I was gonna tell you, but I didn't want to mention anything. If anybody needs to learn to hold a little bit longer, Mersa, working on it. I'm working on it too. Spy dumping through that trend line right now as we speak. There goes beat. 218 pivot on beat right here. I want to see it hold though before I chase this big size. It's scary, but I want to see it hold and see if it really makes a nice move. Now we're getting the volume we need. This candle here, 1.1 million volume on this one. Wow, no pullback there to 218. Did EOS dip down again? Yeah, it did, dude. How do I always just manage to like go from one stock to the other and perfectly avoid the good trades? The EOS 269 was the place. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying it. I'm still interested on beat though. This is not flushing. It's holding up. Sir, please. Indicators, name, and setting. EMA is 9 and 20. That's it. And VWAP. Beat still holding up pretty good. 218 could be a nice dip entry still, but I want to see this thing hold. I want to see this thing. Maybe even a nice 1 minute pullback, 2 minute pullbacks here. Healthy pullbacks. EOS missed that 269, 270 entry. 234 is high on beat. Being careful on this one for a flush down. We had 3 nice flushes on this stock candles that on this one. EOS is one where you set a stop, okay. This here on beat, volume is good, But look at the 1 minute volume, what is that? The 5 minute volume is good, the 1 minute volume is terrible. You think 231 on beat entry could work with a stop to 244 and target 245, 259. Just looking for that quick scalp. How you day, scalp? Nikki got in on beat at 199. Awesome. EOS is kind of not going yet. It's still holding there, but still holding at 269. Beat. What is this? This is the last 1 minute candle on this 5 minute candle here. I want to see it close there and have a nice 5 minute pullback. Check the 20 and the 5 EMAs. It wants to go. Look at it. Right there, 120 orders there, 228. 174 orders. Now 329. There it is. 230. That's a good thing though. This will be the 5 minute close here. Now this is a new 5 minute candle. Do we get a nice pullback? Low volume. $218 will be a good pivot. This beats looking good on the 5 minutes. Looking good on the 5 minutes. $218 can hold. $218 can hold. No, fill me there. Fill me there. No fill, dude. Oh, big rejection there. Now definitely spike down 218. This is gonna. There we go. I'm in. A lot of sellers. That could be a good thing, though. That could be a good thing. Squeeze them out and we get an instant pop. You can tell 218 was the exact same pivot we were looking at. Look, it spiked down to 218 and instantly bounced. Looking for this thing to start curling back up. Not curling back up yet. Being careful here. We might double bottom 218 again. As long as we don't flush through it, this volume is better. It's still good. I don't know if I should have done that, but I averaged down there. Buyers trying to defend 218 here. I averaged down, so now I'm in pretty heavy on this stock. A lot of buyers, a lot of buyers. Held that 9 EMA. Why are we not breaking out? There it is. There it is. Taking off some just in case. Stop at break even. Come on, come on. 123 orders there. 155. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out, boy. I hear the chat going off. I hear the chat going off. Keep it going, keep it going. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, man. Look, there we go, there we go. We're looking for 234 highs. Son of a biscuit. Why don't you squeezing 185 orders right there. 175, 173, 150, 148, 147. Oh, went back up a little bit. Stacked a little bit more there at 226. 226, 66 orders. 227, 133, 99, 47. Cracking. One order left. That has to be hidden sellers. That had to be hidden sellers. That had to be hidden sellers. It went down to 1 and it stayed there. But that's how we do it. 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 AMTD is completely squeezing back up over VWAP as well. Gosh, man. Mercy, you added down here under 208. You added back again. The ADMA is down there. True, you're right, Zach. You're right. There was definitely a hidden seller there. I'm pretty sure. You know, I started looking at the level 2 more on freaking active ladder, and that thing is awesome, man. Hey, even my TikTok people are going. Even my TikTok people. Yes, sir. Good thing I didn't trade EOS. Oh my god. Holy crap. Well, I would have had to stop in place again. You know, I mean, I know I get stopped out a lot, but you know, a few times or a lot of times it happens. The active trader is a cheat code, bro. Dude, I kid you not, I saw it clear as day right there. And the only reason why I realized it is I started watching. Well, I always watch my videos myself trade again, and so I went back and watched myself, and I was like, you know what? Let me stare at this one instead of this one and see what happens. And I looked at this one the whole time today, right there on that trade, and I saw it 226, 300 orders, 250, 0 broke, then 120, then 27 went, and 27 started doing the same thing, and it got down to 1, and I was like, just one more order, and then boom, flushed. MEGL, not interested. Not interested. But back to Beat though. I think you know why, and I'm not. I don't really want to trade that one. Nice, Mersa. Beat again, man. Beat wants to make a big squeeze. Although this 1 minute candle here has lower volume. That did go down and touch the ADMA perfectly, dude. We're looking for this pivot here, 230. And then 234. Candle's gonna close here. Let's just add a small share size, see if we get this continuation. Right here. Add it a little more. This thing is in trouble here. This thing can be in trouble here. Got myself into a winning trade here with a stop in place. See right here, 224, 26 orders. Look at this right here, 26 orders, 224, 38 orders, 41 orders, stacking more. 99 orders. What the heck? 106 orders. It's going up. 125 orders. So I got 116 bits and 118 bits, 223, 224. That's what we're looking at. See which one cracks down first. Looks like the bids. Looks like I had it $35 there though. Still nice downtrend right here. Small little downtrend retest here. Still looking good. Andres, hey man, I know you can't trade. I know you're probably frustrated, but appreciate you still coming in here, man. Appreciate you still coming in trading with us, even if it's paper trading, but it's still the experience for you. It still brings you confidence, still helps you out, so appreciate it. The active ladder is a cheat code, bro. For real, I keep my eye on it. Yeah, I just did it right now too. That thing is awesome right there, man. Here goes beat again. I want to be careful on beat now for a false breakout. I think this is the way this one's acting here. It's got potential to be a false breakout. But Mersa's ad down here. Mersa, you're still holding. Mersa. Hey, Mersa. What time does the stock market open? Depends what time zone you're in. For me, it opens at 8:30 Central Time. So 8:30 Central Time. Blair's also out. See right here, watch. 228, 227, 53. Is there a way? There is a way to lock it though, right? $15 small size and 16 days green for Blair. Good job, Blair. Everybody pay attention to what Blair is doing, guys. That is the correct way to approach the market. If you come into the market and want to make $1 million, you will lose. You will get burned. You will lose your money. But if you take it slow, work on consistency, work on being consistent, actually knowing what you're doing, trading, getting green and out, consistency will come. Scaling is later. So I'm probably up another $500 today. What a consistency, man. That's like 8 days in a row of $900 per days. No, $700. Sorry. No, I think I had 700, not 900. Blair, thanks for the stream as always. Peace. Awesome, Blair. You take care, man. John grabbed some at 224. John's in here looking for that 231 break, 234. Oh, sniper trade's probably filled here. Maybe a little bit, maybe partial, but he's in here. I'm finally off of Sim and now live trading for $10 wins just to keep it safe. I'll increase share size later. Nick, awesome, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. By the way, guys, I don't know if you guys watched me or not, but for those of you that got the course yesterday, if you're watching today, there's a Discord link. There's a Discord link in the second video. I didn't see you guys join it. Please join that Discord link. Oh, actually, y'all did. One of you guys did. Please join that Discord link. That is where you can ask me any help, and I have chat rooms in there where I can jump in on screen share, anything like that for you as well to help you out. So please, please, please. And don't hesitate to ask me anything if you're in that Discord. You have my top priority of anybody. So MEGO might pop here. No fill for you. Awesome, awesome. Beat, honestly, Beat is holding up pretty well. This first trade here was nice. We didn't get the squeeze. That one should have been the one that squeezed. Right here when I was calling that 218, Y 218 pops up. We knew 218 was hard to break. Look at all the resistance there. That's where I'm buying. That's where I'm averaging into that play. Got to fill there, average down lower there. Got to move back up. Was up $650 on that trade right there. But I was ready with 2,000 shares still. 2,000 shares from here to 234. That's another 10 cents of gain there. Hey, that's good, man. Winning pennies for now is what you have to do. Do win pennies for a month, two, then win dollars for a month or two, and then win $10 for a month or two, and then 20, 50, 100, and you got it, man. You got it. So let me import my trades now. My so so yeah, I had 2,000 shares on that one. I would have added another $200 there just to Hive Day. If it would have gone past that, then I would have added more. But Ape Trades, are you still in here, man? Sniper Trades with a 3.5 day. Ape Trades, you saw what I did there? You saw what I did there, bro? Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. That right there is beautiful. I added and then dipped down and I was like, I can't cut it. I can't cut it. I know 218 is my pivot. I need 218 to hold. Added again. I'm stubborn like that. I'm stubborn like that. I added again. If nobody wants to buy the stock, I'll do it myself. So I bought right there. And then look at that nice curl back up. Boom! 218 back up to 226. That's only less than a 10-cent gain. But I'm nailing these dips like crazy. Next thing, we open up on one of these things, free to go. Same thing this morning. Which one was it? I thought I was on beat. No, this one right here. Yeah, right here. Another clean dip. Boom. Boom. Rips. Didn't get the full rip, but it tried. It needed to right there. It needed to right here. Wow, AMTD is actually still recovering. AMTD had the cleanest, slowest move through VWAP moves. Boom. Add rips. This stock, I was actually green on this one, 30 bucks, and then I finished negative 50, so I lost probably $70, $80 on that one. Anyways, back to importing my trades. Up $484, not quite 500. I need $15. I need $15 to get to $500. This platform is Thinkorswim. Yeah, everybody give a little fire emoji to everybody give a little fire emoji and a little strong on emoji to Sniper Trades, please. Everybody, $3.6 thousand today. Everybody go give a little fire and a strong arm emoji. He deserves it, man. He deserves it. He's in here every single day, telling us exactly where he's buying, where he's gonna sell, and if you don't believe the guy, look at his P&L today. I'll be happy when I make that in a month. You'll get in there, you'll get in there, you'll get in there. PRPO, somebody said PRPO, PRPO. I'm finally off. Okay, yeah, I saw that. PRPO, PRPO, PRPO. Kevin saying, of course, Kevin. These low float, no volume plays looking to freaking fly. Debbie! What's up, Debbie? How are you doing, Debbie? I don't hear from you often. How are you? How's your trading, Debbie? You're learning a lot? You're making money? This is not forex or crypto. Discord link. I have a Discord link in my bio on TikTok bio. Go to my bio on Discord. I have a link for my Discord, and then I have a link for my course if you're also interested. You can click on it and see exactly everything that's included in the course, plus unlimited mentorship. So good. No money yet. Okay. Spy. What is Spy doing? Spy breaking that downtrend. Spy breaking that downtrend that I was saying. That uptrend. Sorry. As a matter of fact, I also mentioned earlier, Spy is gonna break this thing and look for the retest of it, right? That's a 391, 392 back down to 390. Another dollar a move there. Now that one's obviously a little riskier, but it did it. It did it. It broke down through that trend line. It retested it and it's pulling back still. Pulling back still. Got a break for a few. Another 5 minute setup on which? On Beat? MRSA is still destroying Beat. AMTD over VWAP still. I was going to say AMTD over VWAP could be a low volume pullback, but it's got a little bit more volume on those red candles. So here's today's $484.99. I guess I need 1 penny to make $485. But you know, even for a penny or $15, I'm not gonna take a trade that I don't feel like it's a winner just because I need to make $15. You know, that's a big lesson for beginners as well. I know I tried doing that before, and I've legit turned in last year. I've turned 600, 700, $800 days into negative days, big negative days, break even days because I was like, you know what? I'm so close. I'm so close to $1,000. I'm so close to $900. I'm so close to $850, and I try to make $10, and then I lose it, and I'm like, okay, you know what? I just need to get back to break even, so I now to make that money back, and then you lose that, and then you're like, okay, at least I need $500 today, and then you lose that, and then you're negative, and you're like, okay, I just need to break even. If I promise, if I break even, I'm gonna call it a day. You lose more, and then you freaking just have to stop trading. You know that happens to me all because $15. So if I stop here and I don't take another trade, I'm okay. MEGL, honestly, MEGL is looking good. Kind of still making higher highs. This whole move right here, you can kind of see a little uptrend. It's still making higher highs, and it still has a flat top at 735, kind of 740. If you get through this here, shorts that are in here, all 770, 740, 735, they might be getting scared through this area here, and you get that nice pop. I typed PRPO. Did I look at it? Oh yeah. Dang, somebody mentioned FSR, and when you mentioned it, it got that high day breakout, but didn't realize after that it literally faded. I don't know why, but this week just feels like it should be a Friday already. You looking for a quick bounce on SPY? I don't know why this week is just going so slow. Oh, but hey, so far. So far, look at this. One, Monday was Labor Day last week. Remember, Monday day was no trading. I'm not trying to hide anything. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tomorrow, if I go green tomorrow, that's 2 weeks back to back. Everything green. No pressure, hold on, no pressure. And still, it's still, let me see. Yeah, it's still September, still my lowest gain month. Wow. MEGL above downtrend. Hopefully, it's not a fakey. People over on TikTok, do you guys have any questions? It's somehow like nobody asks any questions, and then out of nowhere, it's like a bunch of questions like pile up. Kind of scanning through anything here, seeing if we have anything left still with momentum. AMTD maybe still holding up above VWAP, but not interested on that one. Beats, Mercer's still trying to trade this one through here, 218. I feel if 215 breaks, you could get a very nasty flush again, kind of like this, kind of like that, kind of like that. But if you get a breakthrough 218, you might get that 230. I mean, to 330, you might get that 234, maybe up to 250. This thing has room. This thing is holding the 200 moving average. ATXG. Mercer's gonna fall asleep. Are you holding beat still? On your last ad? Took it here. You're gonna go back to. I'll be back later. I might be heading off here. Been training for 2 hours, up $500. Still on a green streak. Still doing good. A couple of mistakes today. A couple of not capitalizing on clean moves that I knew that were gonna work. But then again, I improved some things from yesterday. So we come here every day and learn something new and try to get better every day. And I think I did a good job on this one today. Yesterday I posted a TikTok that got instantly taken down, and for some reason I'm on V only now. But posted a TikTok where I jumped on that trade, bought in, didn't hold, stopped out, $20 loss. Bought in again, didn't hold, stopped out, $100 loss. Bought in, like all within 2-3 minutes. Bought in, finally worked out, got like a $300 winner on that, which should have been a 450 if I didn't take out the other losses. So I learned to not chop it off and trust that pivot, and that is exactly what I did here, and that is exactly what I did here today. It worked. It worked. So MEGL, nice, Rosendo, nice. That 740 right there, 740, 715, you're off to 770s. Nice, nice, nice. AMTD, I guess it did held that VWAP with low volume. But Zach was right about this one. Following HKD, you can't trust anything. MEGL honestly looks better. MEGL honestly does look better. I would have taken that 735 right there. Small retest scalp there. No, Eric, yo, brother, which 3 or 4 stocks should I start paper trading? MEGL, Rosendo, nice. AMTD as well. Look at AMTD. But dude, that's because of freaking HKD. You cannot trust that. Um, MEGL 750 retest could be another trade right there. Lang, Zach, you guys are getting a little feisty with each other. 50-cent scalp on MEGL and you're out. Nice, nice. There's a 746 retest. Oh, I guess 746 from there. I thought it was 750, but I had a 746. Hey, you two, get along. And who is that? Zach. Zach, I don't know how big you are, but I know how big Lang is. You might want to be careful. MEGL. John, are you in this one then? You're the one that's saying put a limit order on? Like, if I'm not comfortable trading something, I'm not going to trade it. Sorry. That some things I'm disciplined like that. I'll stay in my own lane. I know my limits. Lang called the ATXG bounce at 565. Oh, way down there. Holy crap. It hit 566. Nice. Oh, Eric on TikTok. Sorry, man. The way we trade these penny stocks, I can't tell you 3 to 4 stocks because they literally change every single day. I might have one stock that I trade 2, 3 days and that's it. But then a new stock comes in, and a new stock comes in. That's why I have a momentum scanner. You can see it. Oh, you can't see it on TikTok. Sorry. But I have a momentum scanner that I start looking at stocks every day. But Eric, if you want to learn about trading and stuff like that, just come in here every single day. We'll look at the stocks together and all that stuff. And then obviously you have my course in the TikTok bio link if you want to completely learn everything else aside from looking at the stocks, you know, like strategies and what they mean and how to read them and stuff to watch out for, indicators, all of that. It's all in my course. No, I never got in because my mother-in-law is coming over now, and I gotta take. Not gonna take more trades. It's just gonna call it a day at 53. And then you go to lunch, and then go into the golf course. Nice. Zach is gonna be golfing tomorrow, so not trading for him. Zach, are you pretty decent at golf, or are you also trying to pick it up? Maybe we all need to have a. Maybe we all need to have a bro getaway and all go golfing. And girls too. Debbie, you're included. Who else is a girl in here? CryptoWire. We gotta bring CryptoWire. We can't forget about CryptoWire. Who? Do I have any more females watching me? Blue Sky Trader. Me. Hey, I don't think I've ever seen that username. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You're invited too. You're invited too. And if you want to do something, we can do something as well. Aside from golf. Best way to live. What time do you stream? Market open. 15 minutes before market open. 15 minutes before market open is when I go live. I start going over. Hey, look at that spy bounce. Whoever set that call down there. Somebody is a freaking wizard over there. Big Steve. Nick, female here. Awesome, awesome. What do you like to do, Nick? Blue Sky Trader and Nick. What do you girls like to do? Free time. What is your go-to? Calling you females out. Juan, what are you gonna be for Halloween? Dude, for Halloween. Hmm. Kayaking. Okay, kayaking. We can do that. We can all go play some golf and kayak. I like that. I like that. Big Steve up $500, bro. How about you? Are you back in the green? I want to be a short trader for Halloween. Be a red candle. MEGL 746 bounds, working like a charm. Holy crap, this thing is moving fast. 746 to 760 right there. That's 15 cents. I don't know, John. I don't know. A limit order gets flushed through it. I can't get out. Ugh. I do nothing but train to trade these days. Awesome. I like it. Although, if we are on a vacation golfing and kayaking, I ain't going inside to learn how to trade. Okay, sounds good. This is my second day on your live channel. Awesome. Eric, appreciate it, man. I will say my TikTok keeps getting freaking videos keep getting removed and all that stuff. So if I don't go live on here, you have my links in the bio. I stream on tradecaster.com and I also stream on YouTube every morning. So right now I have people on YouTube and right now I have people on Tradecaster. So if you can keep watching on TikTok, that's great. But if for some reason my TikTok I can't go live, then that's what happened. Green for me, but bad fills on Beat and ATXG. Beat, I didn't have bad ATXG. No, I had a bad fill on. I think it was AMTD. AMTD I had iffy fills. Beat I had no problem, and Beat is where I made my money today. I think Beat I played it like a charm several times, so I won't go over my trades here. I'll just do a recap of them later on. But I could just show you where I bought and sold. I took this one several of times. There we go. So there was my first move. There was my second good dip buy, and then that was my, I think, one of my bigger wins right there. Two big greens, two green trades there. This was also a green trade. Does anybody know why Meg can't even be bought as a market order? Juan, please stop. Several times, several of times. Did I say? Do I say several of times? Several times, several of times. Dude, I never realized that. I never realized I'd do that. I just bought it as a market order. I use E-Trade. Wait, what? I can't buy market orders. Look, one share. Buy. Nope. Rejected. Market orders are not allowed for opening trades on this security. I can't. It won't let me. Yeah, it looks like it's a Thinkorswim problem. So good to know. Good to know. If it's not the stock, it's the platform. So if I ever say I can't buy a market order on a stock, doesn't mean you can't either. You might be able to. AMTD right now is at a perfect pivot play. Right there, 223. Everybody's like always asking me, what's a pivot play? Right here, right there. Breaks through that, pulls back, right there. It's the same level. Same level, same level. Yeah, yeah, I think it was GDA Trader. For MEGO. Well, I didn't realize we had that 687. See, this is why I sometimes should look at a bigger time frames. And you're right, after that I do see 8. Well, big old spike to 880s, but right here, Oh, that's where we're getting stuck at today. Yeah, MEGL looks good on this time frame right here. Kevin, did you ever get on HKD? HKD dropped to 250 and back over 350 right now. That 687 line that I drew from the daily right here, it was crucial on the, not the daily, the 1 hour time frame, John. Right here, from this day, I didn't see it, but this day right here, 687, look how 687 held today. Like a charm. Several times, actually. It held several times. Right here. Junior Garcia, what's up, man? Guys, I think I might be calling it here pretty soon. MEGL actually setting up maybe kind of a 5-minute flag right here. I just saw it on my side chart. I wasn't looking down here. Back down to that 749, 750 level. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good, man. Doing pretty good. Up almost $500 today. Pretty good trades. Pretty good trades. But I think I might call it there. I'm tired, man. I gotta buy some shoes. I bought some shoes yesterday that I was so excited for, and the second I put them on, they just felt like the worst shoes I have ever worn, so I was pretty sad about that. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm done trading. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I've made the decision, but I need you guys' help. I need you guys' help. ¿Zapatos? ¿Qué? ¿Zapatos? Necesito comprar unos zapatos, pero no sé cuáles. ¿Me ayudan ustedes, por favor? ¿Sí o no? ¿Sí o no? Alright. Man, I feel like these pictures don't do it justice. Alright, alright. I need you guys' help. Option number 1. Right here. I'm done trading. If you guys don't want to be here anymore, you guys are welcome to leave. I'm not going to trade anymore. I've made my decision. I'm done. Option number 1. Right here. I'll give you guys the 360 view. What the heck? And these are for tennis shoes. So if you're like, well, what the heck are you buying? You know, these are tennis shoes. That's option number 1. Alright. Or option number 2 right here. I'll give you guys the 360 view. Alright, option 1 is the other one. This is option 2. Alright. Now, my TradeCaster people. I'm making a poll, huh? Alright, polls open. Polls open. Let's see. This was option 2 on the right. This was option 1 on the left. I don't know if you guys can see that, right? A little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. I'm not gonna waste too much time here. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time here, about 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the poll. Ooh, somebody tried switching their answers last second. Option number 2, the black ones. Wait, hold on. I gotta go over to YouTube now. Chanclas. Okay, we got an option 1 on YouTube, option 2 on YouTube, option 1 on YouTube, option 2 on YouTube, option 3 on YouTube, option 4 on YouTube. I mean, yeah. Definitely 2. Asics are sleek. Yeah, those black ones were Asics. MEGL held that 5-minute flag again. Sorry if I distracted you. I had mentioned it, but I distracted you with the shoes. But looks like option number 2 won, so I will begin those. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Get some Balenciagas. John. Sorry for the language. Alright, guys. Appreciate you guys helping me on that. Looks like I'm going to begin those black shoes with the green stripes. Thanks, everybody, for coming in on the stream today. I know I say this several times, but I appreciate it. I will make a recap. You guys go like it up, go comment on it, go watch it on YouTube. And other than that, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good trading day. Currently sitting at 8 days green. 8 days green in a row. Still the slowest profit for September of all months all year long. But you know what? I'm okay with that. Today we had a little bit of better action, honestly. I will say today I had a little bit of better action, so maybe I didn't capitalize as much. And MEGL unfortunately cannot buy market orders, and I could have gotten a couple of limit orders here, just kind of got a little bit scared on it with limit orders, not used to that, so whatever. Later, have a great day, everybody. See you tomorrow. Rob, Ghost Rider, be safe. Peace out, brothers. See you tomorrow on the next live. Appreciate Eric on TikTok. And then my Tradecaster team, Swole Granny, awesome. Debbie, you have a great day. Rosendo, peace out, bro. Thank you, Soul Granny. Thank you. Everybody else, thank you. Wifey goes on a girls trip tomorrow to Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, so I'm watching the kids all week and starting from 7 a.m. tomorrow. Might not be in here. Okay, so tomorrow looks like John and Zach won't be in here. So I need somebody else to step up and be commenting left and right over here. Rolex GS on YouTube. Gracias. Everybody, you guys have a great day. Be careful on the rest of the day. If you take any trades, be careful with them. Don't minimize your green day and don't extend your red day. Take good setups and you should be good. Alright, guys. Y'all take care and see you guys tomorrow.